gentlemen, on behalf of Captain Porter and all of the crew, we would like to welcome you to Gibraltar. The local time is just approaching 25 to 7. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, leaving all items of hand baggage safely stowed until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal items and hand baggage with you. Please be careful when opening overhead lockers, as items may fall out, causing injury. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you have reached a designated smoking area. Our ground agents will be waiting to meet the aircraft, and they will be happy to answer any further questions you may have. Alternatively, you may contact any of our One World Alliance partners. For more information on this, all of our products and services and best value fares, please log on to ba.com. On behalf of British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again in the near future. Thank you, good evening, and a Happy New Year.